Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to set up Google Parental Control in order to protect your child or your kiddies online on Google account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to open up my phone settings right here. After open up your phone settings, proceed to Google. So be sure you look for Google right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on All Services. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Parental Controls. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. You will choose Set up Parental Control. You will choose Age Appropriate Content Rating, Privacy Settings, Screen Times Rules for this device and your child or teen's Google account. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Click on Let us do this. Select your child or teen account. To set up parental control for this device, you must supervise your child or teen account. What you need to do is to click on here to select your child account. So if you have not added your child account initially, go ahead and click on Add Another Account and make sure you log in your teen or your child or your teen's Google account. Once you log in on it, then select on the account and click on Supervise the account. And the account will be embedded to your Google account. From there, you can begin to monitor your child, whatever they are doing with their Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.